pretender spot?
Like right
there.
Right around there.
And these ones?
Yeah, they hurt.
Okay. It's because you sit there all day slouched over top of people with your arms up this high. You literally cut hair with your arms as high as your head.
Well,
That's the problem.
I pump the chair up.
Yeah. Well, kinda, and then it puts your arms all the way up at your head.
True.
Okay. Right in here.
Yeah.
Big breath. Then out. Sink all the way down. Ooh, there we go. A little different when you twist your own back, right?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, my God.
Uh-huh. All right, got a little more down here. Okay. All right. There we go. Woo!